Hello, today I want to share with you about this Tufted floor sofa mattress that I have back here. But first I want to give a shout out to the brand for sending it to me in exchange for sharing my thoughts about it and showing y'all all the features of it. Before I dive into this though, I want to give a little bit of backstory. We moved into our house maybe about a year and a half ago at this point. And we also have a large family. We don't have necessarily a relatively large house for an American family of our size. We have 7 people in our family, in our household, and our living room space is not very big. We were all gathered around in our living room one evening watching a movie, and I was sitting here thinking, we need more furniture, but we can't fit necessarily more furniture in this space. Like, we need more sitting space. We can't just have a whole nother couch in here or a bunch of extra chairs. And I got to thinking about, I wonder if they made some kind of like foldable or roll-up floor mattresses. Something like that would be really cool, really fantastic. But I honestly did not necessarily have something to store something like that. At the same time, my boys in their room, they like to game in there. They have a small TV, a little gaming console, and they were using just like an office chair and a foldable chair that went outside. It was very hodgepodge. It worked, they were happy, but I still wanted something out here. As I started looking around online and got in contact with the sellers, I actually had noticed their floor mattresses, but then I noticed they had this, and I got to looking at it and I thought, that thing is awesome, and that would basically, if you will, kill 2 birds with 1 stone, as far as having extra seating out here in our living space, but then it could also be put up, put away, which would be in my boys' room where they're gaming. And I've got to tell you, this thing has been every bit of awesome that I thought it would be for our family. It folds up into a couch like this, and then it can unfold. I'll show you all the settings of that, but it unfolds into a mattress. This comes with 2 pillows, like extra pillows. The pillows and the floor sofa mattress is very, very soft. It has this very soft ribbed fabric on it, very durable, holds up really well. As you can see, right now it's in this couch mode, but if you pull out this bottom part, it's still like a couch. It has the back on it, but with like extra leg space. Kind of reminds me of like a chaise lounge, if I'm pronouncing that right, where it has the back, but it also has extra leg space. Then you can pull it out, and this would be like another setting right here. Just for reference, I'm 5 foot, so I am a shorty, but just so you can see, there's plenty of space right here, like for kids or small adults like myself. And then you can extend it all the way out. This particular floor mattress, width-wise, it's the width of a full-size bed, but it comes in like twin, a queen, and I think maybe even a king. This is about 54 inches across. I would say it measures just shy of 90 inches. We have been loving this. If you are considering something like this, if you have a small space, if you need something that's multifunctional or whatever, this Japanese folding sofa floor mattress is so cool. It is so cool, and I honestly recommend it to everyone. Even my kids, like they tell people come over, like friends come over, they're like, come look at my sofa in my room. This thing is just the coolest thing ever, and I 10 out of 10 recommend. Real quick before I go, here's an up close view of the fabric, and then zooming out to see it in my boys' room in their gaming area.